Yo. Chat. How we doing today? Everyone put some 41s if you guys can hear me. Hell yeah. Appreciate y'all. What's good, gang? My bad, gang. I had a freaking what's it called? An appointment that went way over, and then not only did it go way over, fucking worse traffic trying to get back here. So bad. So my apologies. Yo, welcome to the melt. Nah. I don't really think I would have taken this anyways. 1 hour. Let's see. Yeah, no pullback or anything. This is it right here, right? Yeah, 11. Besides the trend line break, if you guys want to take a trend line break, you know, I would just say no really big confirmation. Looks like we're getting sucked back up. Look for maybe a retest, continuation down, but we'll do a whole top-down analysis. We just gotta hop in with the gang, see what's good with y'all, see how y'all been, what y'all been up to. How was you guys' morning? Today was pretty clean. Today was pretty clean. What y'all thinking? Yeah, nice. What was your guys' someone tell me this morning, what'd you guys take? US 30 or NASDAQ? Sheesh. I'll take a picture. I need to clean my freaking screen. Everyone spam high. Yo, Luca, today I violated a rule of the prop firm I'm trading with, which is a max lot size rule, but they haven't messaged me yet. How high would you say the chances of me getting that payout? Pretty low, brother. Pretty low. Pretty low, unfortunately. Sometimes they will just wait until you actually request the payout and then fucking be like, oh, by the way. Everyone in the chat say what's up. Everyone just say hi in the chat. I'm taking a picture. Everyone say hi. I'm taking a picture. Hi, 41. All right, there we go. Some of you guys were featured on my story. Live trading. No. Is anyone in any trades? Did any of you guys get into the power hour trades? I'm on live. Don't say any fuck shit. Yo. All right. Well, I'll call you guys. All right. I'll call you guys back. Peace. I thought that was like needed. What the fuck did I mean that for? I'm in buys right now. Jeez. All right. Let's do a top down analysis, guys. Let's see what the fuck we working with. All right. The buys back up look decent, but I think it could retest to go lower just because we already swept these highs. Why would we sweep the highs, sweep the lows, to then come back to the highs? You know what I'm saying? Oh, that hourly is so disgusting. What is this hourly candle? Nah. Because y'all gotta think, like, you buying right now, if you go to the hourly, you buying right now means that you expect us to never come back and do anything with this hourly wick and that we're just gonna go up from here. That's what you're telling me. That's what you telling me right now. Let's remove drawings, guys. Look at NASDAQ. NASDAQ's hourly. Nah. No. All right. Sheesh. Good sweep. Continue. My thing is I could kind of like the shorts, but like from where? Because I'm not just going to sell right away, taking out the highs. Got to look for some sort of reaction or something. For sure. And wait for a break of lows all the way down here. That's smart. You could look for that. 30-minute. Yeah, I mean, we got another 20 minutes to that hourly. I think the next hourly should definitely go bearish. Yeah, you like the continuation of lows? I'm kind of liking it. US 30 kind of created some equal lows right here too. Look like right here. I'd consider those some equal lows, wouldn't you? Look what's shaking, chilling, bro. My bad for joining the stream late, guys. Make sure you guys like the stream. Send it out there for people to wait, lactose milk is sitting at that. Wait, what? How did I not see that? Fuck. I'm doing good, bro. Everyone like the stream? We can send some fellas to the stout. Daily. Damn, 2 hours left in the daily. Indecisive. Kind of like the rebound. I'm trying to think, like, on the 5 minute, I don't really think there's an entry here that I would have taken just because it didn't really react off anything. It was just a liquidity sweep. US 30. Pretty equal lows. I kind of like it, bro. Sell somewhere up in here, aim for the lows. I'm not opposed. Did you trade New York Open? Yes. Caught some banger 1 to 2 shorts on NASDAQ. Pretty fire. It was a good start to the day for sure. Looking to continue it during power hour today with the boys. She'd be like, "Where you at?" I'm like, "I'm with the boys." I know some girls in the chat though, but you're part of the boys too. You're part of the gang. Gave y'all a motherfucking buzz. Key said LOL. Hey, you should know. You should know by now. Supply is so far up here. I'm curious, did anyone take the 11 a.m. shorts? Like right when it broke out the hourly, did anyone like just jump in? I don't think I would have jumped in. I do not think I would have jumped in. Jumped all the way down, freaking just fell right through it. Do you have a girlfriend, Luca? Yeah. Yes, I do. Cuffed up. cuffed up. Risky situation, I know. It's kind of in the middle. Definitely need a big reaction. I like the shorts though. You know, because even if we were to range, we try to sell up in here and it'll just come out on the bottom. Got some good shorts. How many? Sheesh. Just this one range right here is 175 points, guys. We got some volume today. Ain't no motherfucking good. Split screen for now. Man, my shooter different. Make it leave. In this channel right now on the M1. Nah, it's ugly. Ugly. All right, re-breaking highs right now. What's good? The fuck? 5 US30 up on both right now. Just this is the 5 minute. This is the 1 minute. Sheesh. Anyone interested in the 5 minute highs? I personally am not. I'm just curious if anyone here is looking for an entry right now above the highs. Maybe a little retest. You know what I could look for? Everyone look at the 5 minute over here. I would want this to turn from resistance into support. What that means is that if we come up and we can close above here, hopefully we can lead to some sort of retest in the fair value gap or some sort of retest down into here. Show a reaction to go, but not at the initial break for me. We have a fair value gap sitting right here on the M1. Right? Yeah, right there. Oh, look at that. Nice little rejection. Let's see if we can tap into here and re-break highs or something like that. Let's just see what's popping. Yo! Wait, hold on. Yo. You guys can hear me now? Can you guys hear me now? You stay muted if you do a huge giveaway. That was Mamba. My bad. When Mamba calls, mic goes off. I apologize. When Mamba calls, mic goes off. My apologies. But luckily we didn't get filled or anything. Kind of just ranging above these highs. Luckily we didn't get in the buys. We'd be just fucking moving sideways. Good boy. Shut the fuck up. Mamba to go. I thought it was just me. I reset my PC. My bad. I was gonna unmute and say something, but like he just kept talking and like I didn't know, you know, I didn't want him to, I didn't want to like ask like, yo, can like the chat hear this or like what? He was talking about your new YouTube video that I'm gonna be in, guys. So y'all get to see me on Mamba's channel. Damn, should we take another futures trade today, guys? Fuck it. What's good? We filled it and we're going, chat. We filled it and we are going. Rebreak above. Tight ass stop loss. I need some volume to break it though, for sure. I thought that's so funny. Bro, I need to join NLT Elite 3 and 4 with God Witness Me. Hey, I've been telling you guys where you guys should be at. No surprise. Y'all know exactly where to be at. We're not inversing this fair value gap either, which is super lame. So if you guys know what an inversion is, it's basically if price creates a fair value gap, but then closes below it and then like engulfs it like super nicely, triggering a potential reversal for it to go short, which would be, you know, we could look for that, but we're just holding this fair value gap. You know what I'm saying? NLT lead is go to Luke and Mamba the Truth. Appreciate you, Jackson. Goat. Mamba's the goat though. I'm trying to fly out there and go to the UFC fights with him. It's like this month. Alex, you can literally read US 100. I don't know why I'm laughing. Yeah, Alex, we're at Nas. On Nas. Why price in your chart different than CME price? Because of it's on Black Bull. I actually need to change this over to the no, you're hella right. I don't know why I have Black Bull up here right now. Alright guys, we have like not I wouldn't really call this an inversion. Which makes me not really want to short, but I'm definitely open to it. Oh, we got the hourly in 7 minutes. Let's just wait for the hourly, guys, and then we'll go from there. Oh my! All I gotta say is that if this would have inversed it, I actually would have given this a chance. So if you guys know what inversion is, it'll be this. But imagine like this candle closed below the whole thing, right? That would have been a nice entry for me. Nick's in the building. What's up? 5 minute no top wick. Interesting. Heading to the hourly. You don't say. You don't say. Right shoulder, yeah, just waiting for a little right shoulder. I feel you. Oh my lord. Sheesh. So glad we didn't buy above there. Holy shit. Precision. Ah! Come on. Fuck. What a day, chat. Hey, we stuck true to our sell bias though. We chilling here. Over to US 30 though. See what's Gucci. US 30 can lick no, I'm clicking. US 30 actually helped me get into NAS today. So I was looking at NAS and US 30 this morning at New York session open. Didn't like the sells at initial break. US 30 actually swept the lows, was looking for a potential reversal. What ended up happening is US 30 started selling off and it gave a good move leading to then when NAS came to break the lows too. And I was like, all right, well, let's see if NAS follows suit. Boom. Easy 1 to 2. I'm always scared selling NAS. Is this normal? Nah, maybe you just need some more confidence selling NAS. You gotta get a couple wins selling NAS and then it'll go away. But I mean, I feel you, cuzzo. All right, so this is the indecision part. So everyone look at the right side of my screen. What do you guys see over here? I see dump, retest, but where are we tapping back into? We are rejecting off this 5-minute demand, which this is where you get freaking, you have to have a bias. Because if I don't have a bias right now, I could be looking for buys off of here or sells or whatever. And you know what I'm saying? So like if you guys are buy bias, this could be a good entry, retap, good reaction off of it. Let's see the 15-minute. I would say it really just has to do with how this hourly opens in 2 minutes. Maybe got some shoes today during it. Maybe got some new shoes today during my open. Actually, they weren't new. I got them at Goodwill, but hey, start. It's a start, at least. Baby got her own plate at KFC today. But didn't have to share. Didn't have to share a bucket of chicken for once. They knew to them. They've been through like 10 owners, but they knew to them. Fuck. That's fucking funny. Goddamn light bill. If anyone's wondered like what that came from, like why you guys always hear me bring up the light bill, is because Rudy RV in the chat's one of my mentorship students. He used to always join the call, and I always ask everyone, hey, how you doing? How you doing? Every time he always joins, he goes, hey, you know me, man, trying to keep the lights on. And ever since then, it's trying to keep the lights on. Just trying to keep the lights on. Crazy. Hey, man, I feel you. Make sure you guys like the stream. Make sure you like the stream. Hi, Luca. What are your thoughts on fib retracements versus fib channels? Fib retracements all the way. Are you looking for buys? I kind of have the demand popped up. I'm not too interested in it. I want it to kind of like give a false reaction and then break with volume or something. You know what I'm saying? Like you see here on the hourly, we're starting to open up. We have a top wick, whatnot. I don't really want to sell right away. I do think we still could potentially go up a bit, but let's see. We're gonna see if the hourly holds this, or are we gonna shkidibbity dope? This sweep above this high, though, we called early when we first got on stream. Price coming back up, taking some sort of liquidity before continuing. I'm not gonna jump in right away, you know, no FOMO trades to see if we can come here. We now know this fair value gap is not holding. We can come here and put a line right here, guys, at the top of this candle. Why can we put a line at the top? Someone tell me why is it important that we can mark this high? Not the high of the wick, the high of the body. Someone tell me. Someone tell me why that's an important level. Retest? Nope. For the SL? Nope. New set resistance? Nope. This is kind of a more smart money concept. So, like ICT type shit, which I agree with. Like I said, guys, I've never watched the ICT video. It's just so funny that a lot of the stuff I learned and whatnot, they preach and they, you know what, all that type of stuff. Hourly flip a little bit, right? So Sandra's the closest. The top of this candle is the top of the hourly. So if this candle right here were to flip, it's going to flip the hourly from bullish to bearish. I'm not trying to get in at the flip, but one thing that a lot of smart money people will do is if their sell bias is sells, when the hourly candle opens and does the kind of a top bottom wick like this, you guys look at this side of my screen, you guys got to understand that this is a sell candle, or even let's say it's small at first, right? Let's just say like it's like this, and we have some sort of top wick, like I'd be able to draw. I should have done my. God, I can't even fucking do it. Kind of looks ugly. Basically, guys, like this is the hourly candle, right? Where the hourly candles opened up, come down a little bit, but the reason why we can mark up this high is that if price does continue to come up and go above this high with the wick to make a bigger wick, we know if we come back below this line, it's the hourly reflipping bearish. Why is it a good idea to try to sell? Well, first off, it's your bias has to be sells, but if your sell bias and you're waiting for the hourly, if you're selling on the flip of the hourly candle or once it's made a top wick, whatever, you're getting in for this whole candle body. Plus, if it makes a bottom wick. So it gives you really good entries to look for like bigger, you know, bigger moves. Because you guys got to understand that if this will be a bearish candle, you're getting in above the hourly open. Even like this is mega discount. You're getting in before it's even flips. Let's say this candle goes and kind of comes up. Well, guess what? It's bullish right now. It's bullish, bullish, bullish. Well, guess what? You know it sells. So you sell when we're here and you get in for this whole freaking, right? You guys get that? Does that make sense? Have you tried order flow? Lambo was catching. Yeah, so when I got to actually meet up with Lambo Raul, I was talking to him about it. He has such small stop losses and is looking for the initial push with the volume at key levels to catch those. So you guys got to think that like he trades ES where he has like a 2-point stop loss. Think about it. 2-point stop loss, right? You catch 14 points, you're already up a 1-7. And I'm not hating on it. That's low-key gangster as fuck. So if price opens above the hourly candle, you'd look to retest the level up. Bias with bias. You'd want it to like, if it's buys, you'd want like price to like be moving down and make a bottom wick, and as soon as it comes and flips, you're getting in for the whole top of the wick for like the bullish candle, right? We got all these gaps up here and stuff too, guys. Waiting patiently. Got the M1 over here. No type of demand sitting over here, so we'll see if it sweeps or continues once you break this low right here on the M1. M5 over here. You know what I'm saying? Think we can get some little reaction here, guys. I'm debating if I want to get in at this liquidity sweep or if I'm a bitch. Pretty low probability taking this trade, but I kind of like it because I think a lot of people are trying to early sell on it. We'll see. This is NQ, yeah. Because we swept it. You guys think like this is a sweep right here, right? Got a miniature little horizontal line popping up. We got another one right here that we could potentially wait for, but sheesh. Ugh. Part of me wants to buy chat, but we have these equal lows sitting here. Well, that's Dow. That's obviously fucking why. Not really here. We are getting in at the bearish part of the candle, looking for longs potentially. Shit. What y'all think, chat? Just look at the 4 hour, guys. Like, do you think the 4 hour from this point is going lower or higher? I think it's gonna close bearish. That's the only thing. Is like, imagine this 4 hour closes bullish. That'd be crazy, no? I guess that still is a while away. 1 hour, 30. You're feeling frisky, guys. You're feeling like the light bills do. NQ longs right here, guys. If you guys are interested, you can give it a go. This is hourly flipping. Sheesh. I want to wait for some sort of like right shoulder. I also don't want to miss it. You guys see how he like made a we had a low, we swept it, and we kind of need to hold over here and show we really want to come up. See if we can hold down here or what. The thing that sucks about waiting this long is now it's just a bigger stop loss, right? Like we're putting on more risk, but we're also being a little more patient, right? So choose your poison. All right, guys, I might get in a buy above this 1 minute high, see if we can lead to a little push. Let's see. Potential buy stop right there, chat. I'm debating. All right, now that we're getting a rejection. Now that we're getting a rejection, I could be down at this flip. Might just execute, we'll see. All right, guys, I put a buy stop there for now. I'll let you know if I remove it. Oh, it's not at the high. I adjust it to the high. Right there. Break it with volume. Ah, there's like not a lot of volume, chat. This is not good, but I think Mama didn't raise no biz. Let's give it a go. This is why buy stops sometimes are deadly, is when there's low volume, it can kind of just like wick you in real quick. So I might delete it for now, and then I might market execute when we actually break the high. If there's volume, right? I don't want to just like channel up. You see how like this red candle like wicked above this previous bullish candle, right? Like I don't want that to happen where it just like wicks us in and flips. Let's see. I might market execute though. There's low volume, chat. We need volume to push it. If we're gonna buy in a bearish trend, there needs to be volume to fucking push it. Kind of 1 minute break of structure. Well, this is the 1 minute on the right side of my screen. We came down. I guess we have a better high right here that we could wait to be broken. But that's near where entry is anyways. We should already, I mean, we would already been in profit. Oh, actually, yeah. What y'all think? Am I tripping? Am I tripping trying to get in the 5 minute over here? Am I tripping, chat? Might give it a go, you know. We could sit here all day. Did you enter? No, you guys will see right here on the bottom of my screen. It shows when I'm in. We trying to buy this, chat. Fuck. There's low volume, chat. I might hands off this if you guys want to get in. You guys can. There's low volume, and I don't want to. Oh, fuck. Come on. Wait for the next 15 minutes. Why? We got 1 minute. I guess so. But that makes it even worse. Unless we make a big bottom wick and flip, then it's like we'll come into here, pop the 15 minute right here, and let's see if the 15 minute can hold and break highs. Let's see. It's kind of slow at the moment. 15-minute close, bottom wick, leading to a flip. We're not going to know unless we get in, so. Buy stop said if we flip on the 15 and break these highs, I'm in. If we range and go right back down, it's honestly what I thought we are going to do, but I also just don't want to miss out on it. You know what I'm saying? So we'll see. Are you trading NQ futures? Yes. I am on NQ. I don't like the low volume. We're just moving all sideways here, chat. Yeah, no, chat. We're ranging. Buy stop deleted. Buy stop deleted. What's good? What's good? Meezy King, guys. Shout out Meezy King in the chat. Had his biggest trading day today. W's in the chat for the boy. Shout out to you, bro. Now here's the volume. Like I said, when you guys see low volume, just sitting there, just toying you in, wanting to get you in, that motherfucker is trying to take your liquidity. Shit. Oh my god. Good, no fucking edgy. I would have seen that angry Luca. W. You buys for NQ shorts? I've been saying shorts all morning. The only reason I'm into the buys is we had the hourly open. We had our candle flip where to me the top wick isn't that big. Where I thought that we probably would buy it, maybe make a bigger wick and then go. So I'm just kind of waiting to see. NQM1 tapping off this demand right here. What the frick? What the helly? If you got it now, you'd be long. Well, yeah, like a second ago, I would have been long. I'm waiting to see. Yeah. No, I'm not in yet. You guys will see, like right here shows my P&L. Like it'll show my numbers fluctuating and stuff, right? All right, let's come over here and see. All right, if it was the 15. Did I break the 15-minute lows? Do we want to sell at the 15-minute lows? The trap was set, then just sat there with the. Yeah, bro. They had a set. 30-minute lows down here. I said it was good. You ain't no motherfucking shit. Hopefully we get 350 candle. Guys, yesterday, I remember I got off stream a little bit earlier because we already, whatever. And I was like, oh, I'm going to just range until then. Guys, the 350 candle yesterday sucked. If we would have waited all the way to the 350 candle yesterday, it would have been awful. It did not open do anything. Hopefully today, though. Hopefully today we get a little, you know what? Yesterday's news was a huge nothing burger. I know. Low key, though. Literally. Is this stocks or futures? I mean, technically it's both. You know, it's futures, but NASDAQ is an index. I went and got it out the mud. This visual repetition should show you guys, like, we have the 15-minute chart over here, we have the 5-minute here. When we get these sweeps and we see these little bullish green candles, we're like, oh, the 5-minute looks like it's going bullish. And you go to the 15, you're like, bro, this isn't even fucking half of the bearish 15-minute candle, right? Like, gotta wait and see, right? If we lead to a flip and we break previous highs, that to me is a little bit higher probability, right? Whoa. What happened there? You see that? What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? What the heliante? What the helion? Everyone in the chat right now, tell me what your favorite asset to trade is. What is your favorite asset to trade? Let's see those LV shades, bro. You guys want to see the new Louis V's? I'll show you. Give me a second. Nas, US 30 gold. Nas, Ethereum. What? What? Bro, said I'm rich off Ethereum. Don't even get me started. NQ and GC, nice, bro. Or Mar. UK 900, UK 100 and Nas. What's up, Rice Ninja? Good to see you, G. Lean Hogs Futures, yes, sir. Lean Hogs Futures. Lean Hogs? Are you fucking with me? Are you fucking with me? Nah, stop. The Meta Ray-Bans are amazing. I know. I could get that for some content, but I was just like, what kind of content? Because a lot of people who get the cool content with it are the people who like walk up to you and are like, on the street. It's like, I don't want to do that. This to me is some volume looking like we're going to come and break and flip and break the 15-minute highs, guys. I do think that we could give it a long potential, but I would say it's low probability, but kind of with the shits. Do you think the hourly on NAS is going to flip bullish? Low key. It's the only reason why I'm looking at that, right? Even if the next hourly candle like goes bearish, well, we still caught the buys on this one. You know, like what if the 350 candle sends us up bullish? We were in lower, buys us up into TP2. We get out and then it sells off. That'd be kind of hot, right? Oh my god, alright guys, 15 minutes flipping, we're breaking highs. I kind of want to get in, but I want to see if we can react and come down a bit and re-break. Like we did create a fair value gap sitting right here. FEG, FEG. All right, we just took liquidity above the high again. Let's see if we can close, come down in here, and maybe re-break with volume or something. It's just that, like, why did we go from all the way down here all the way up without any pullbacks? Let me know if anyone gets into the buys. I'm curious. Just give me a rejection. Like, give me a bearish candle and then break highs. That's what I'm interested in. Like, give me some sort of bear. There we go. Like, reject and then come and break highs. There we go. Fair value gap just got filled. Fair value gap just got filled in the 1 minute, guys. Let's see if we can flip. Wow. What a fake out leading into the 30 minute. All right, guys. I could be into some shorts once we get this 30 minute close at the flip, because that was a nasty, once again, liquidity taken above. We've been staying diligent to the system today, guys. Not jumping in, waiting for confirmation. Hell yeah. Oh my god, no way. What kind of flip? No way. No way. Chat. I might have to try it. Just with all this volume, if we flip and fly, guys, I might have to give it a fucking go. I don't know what's happening, but Mamba didn't raise no bitch. Buy stop set. I got juked out. 3 minutes until the 30 minutes? Oh, this is low-key a bad idea. I just want it to fly. Like, just fly with some fucking volume. Just dip. Big ass bottom wick. Oh, I do not like that. Of course, we're just going to range right again at the highs. This is cracked out. But I kind of like it. It's kind of funny. Fair value gap got tapped. We already flipped, broke highs. If we reflip, like, I should be in there like somewhere. A nice little fake out to an ankle breaker. That's what I'm saying. Fake out to an ankle breaker. That's actually what the charts be doing to me. Fake out to an ankle breaker. Right at the 30-minute open. I don't really recommend too many of you guys to take this. If I'm already triggered in, fuck it. But I don't think this is that high probability of a setup, guys, just because you have the 30-minute open. It's either gonna fucking do us very well, or we're gonna get triggered in this next minute, and then 30 minutes gonna open and ankle breaker. So it's up to you. I'm kind of willing to see how this flip goes. If we haven't done it by the 30-minute, which, how much time we have left? About 38 seconds. Minute open. What are you doing? This is a range if I've ever seen one, guys. Look at this. Nowhere to be found. Kind of scared to take this out, tap into this freaking MA, go down a bit. Did I get triggered on that? No way. Okay, cool. I was like, there's no way I got triggered on that. I gotta see if we could lead to a break or something. If we come into here, guys, and we come reject off here, I'll go quick stops to break even because I don't want it to lead to a fake out. I don't want to get like wicked in and it reverse. We go up and we reverse quick. You guys can say I'm a bitch for getting out quick, whatever the hell. That's my plan. Counter trend, you know, not the best. So try to make a W on the 5. That's what I'm saying. Trying to. Kind of doing on the 1 minute. It's just the volume came and went. Bruh. Oh my god, there's no way. No way, no way. Come on. Previous 30-minute lows getting broken, guys. That's insane. A lot of patience for that. Big old range. Got about 15 minutes until the 1250 candle. Chat, 350 candle. Infamous. Legendary. If we break the 30-minute lows, probably then going to use this as the new internal leg to look for a retest and discount to potentially continue. But, you know, I got kind of, what's the word? Like I definitely got into a heavy buy bias over in here, but overall still a bearish trend. So now that we've kind of broken this low a little bit, we'll see if we kind of come back up or what. But if we can kind of come stall in here and re-break lows, probably give the sells a chance. Case of FOMO. Should I get on a sell? That would be a case of FOMO that he's talking about. You know what I'm saying? Like if you wanted to take the sells, you probably should have took it somewhere in here, right? Like now that's breaking the lows, you can. It's just I would have tried to get in somewhere over here or something. I just thought leading into here we were gonna get a little pump. We still could, you know, we could hold here, come up, and the 350 candle send us a little bit. But very interesting. Top songs, what's good? What you doing? The infamous, the legendary top song. Oh my god, that's just too good. It's just too good. The undefeated. The undefeated top songs. When are we doing a face reveal? Top songs. Can we please do a face reveal one time on stream? Like, just come chop it up with me for a bit. What do we gotta do? I'll bring your boyfriend Nick. He can come too. Oh, chat. We swept that 30-minute low literally to the T. If you guys look here on the left side of my screen, we swept it to the T and are leading to a bullish little push. You know what I'm saying? Let's look over on here. I mean, I don't know about you guys, but you think what I'm thinking? You thinking what I'm thinking? I just want to see it kind of hold this low. Like, let's just see a quick little hold. Oh, quick little beat, bop, boop. Wow. Wow. We don't really have any for value gaps left, chat. We could buy. We are just buying within the range, though, I guess. So you might ask, like, Luca, why don't you want to buy here? It's the same thing as like why you didn't want to sell here, right? It's like the sell's already played out. You could have sold. You know, why are you going to sell all the way down here? Why didn't you buy? The buy's kind of played out. Why wouldn't you buy, right? It's like now wait for a little bit of a retest to show the structure, you know, form a little W, come down here, take out one of the fair value gaps, something. Give me something. This whole range is like 20. But we could just do full 30. You know, I don't think we really need it. Boom. All right, a little bit of a retest. I don't know why we're just like flying all of a sudden, but I'm not mad about it. Might do a chat, quick stops to break even. All right, chat. We're like trying to reject, and we're just like, all right, we're gonna reject or what? You know, hold or what? You know, fly. What's Gucci? Might just give it a shot, guys. Fuck it, you know what I'm saying? Already swept this love, come up. We keep trying to reject. If we can now, once rejecting, break the highs with volume, I'm intrigued. All we do is keep ranging, lows to highs, lows to highs. If we're going to reject at the highs and then break the highs with volume, I'll get in for a little push. This is the fattest range, guys. Look at this. Like, we've been sitting here this whole time. Y'all are patient motherfuckers. I appreciate y'all. Nothing else better to do. Love that. Nothing else better to do than come kick it with NLT gang? That's what I'm saying. We got pills, that's why. Something above here or something, chat. Might give it a go, chat. Right at these highs. Could wait for a break, but I think we should lead to a push. Oh, the 15-minute candle's opening right now. There's no fucking way. All right, guys. I'm giving it a chance. We're giving the longs a chance, hoping the 15-minute takes us. If not, we're gonna sweep this high and go back into the range. But this is anticipating that we're gonna stay long until the 350 candle, and hopefully the 350 candle will send us in our direction. We did lead to a break of the high that we were waiting for over here. So literally just waiting for a little pump. And if we just reject and go back down, then we just got caught in the range. Simple as that. As simple as that. We've been sitting in the range just looking for a break of it, but, you know, we waited for the break of the high. We even waited for the retest. You know, if I would have gone up here and it hit stop loss, whatever, but it retested, now broke the highs, engulfed the previous candle with volume, and then broke the highs after. So I'm with it. The market used all its energy early in the day. It's exhausted from going up and down. Burned a lot of calories today. Yeah, I'm gonna show them for a little push during you know when, guys. A little 350 candle. If not, we just got in at the highs. If not, I don't know. But like I said, if we can re-break these highs and come with volume, I'm just gonna put stops to break even. As simple as that. Right? Oh no, 15-minute has no bottom wick, chat. That is not good. 15-minute has no bottom wick. No bottom wick, chat. So should be getting out break even, but it's It's in hopes that the 350 candle's on our side. You only have 5 minutes. We only got 5 minutes. This wasn't enough profit for me to go break even. Hopefully we don't go to make a bottom wick. If we do, definitely something that we can anticipate. But over here on the right side of my screen, guys, is the 15-minute. If you look, it's literally like a barcode. We just got a bottom wick, so hopefully we can lead to like a quick little flip now. If not, then just stuck in a range. Someone tell him to buy. I'm in shorts currently. Shit. Well, good job, bro. Shorts overall is the move. This is in hopes that we get a little push of the 350 candle. Just a nice little scalp. Nice little scalp. If you win, congratulations. You beat me. Wednesday doing the humpity hump. I mean, it's just, you know, trying to trade a range is never smart. Lucas say Mia the plug is goated for me. Mia the plug is goated? I don't know, bro. I don't know who that is. What's the bottom wick assigned for? Well, if you go look at all previous candles, 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 minute, whatever, all candles 99% of the time have a top and a bottom wick. So if you get into a trade, let's say on a buy, but there's still no bottom wick, it's less probable because you're anticipating price to come and make a bottom wick, which means that you could have gotten a lower entry anyways, right? Or it makes it so that you're like more careful to get in until it happens. All right, guys, we're getting a little bit of a push. If we break
Stop
here,
filled.
Stop filled? Wait. Why did it say stop filled? Did you guys hear that? Why did it say stop filled? All right, guys, this is not a good liquidation above. I should have went to BE real quick on here. I don't know why I said stops. I'm still in though. Oh, I'm in double now. I'm in 8 now. It re-got me in. So let me sell off half. I'm just in double the risk now. Shit. Saiski, what up, Sai? Got the legend in the building. I should sell off half my risk, guys. I'm seeing if we can get a little push. Sai, what's good? There's no way I did that again. Yeah, I'm in double the risk now, Chad. That's not good. Two minutes of the 350 candle. We'll know what happens. Full leverage with the accounts. Let's go. Sai, where you at, bro? Where you at? Where you at?
Order filled.
Oh, well, there we go. Order filled. I should have sold off the half. If you guys are still not in, it's only because I hit that. I would stay in if I were you guys. On a plane to LA? No. No, tell me you're lying. Guys, everyone, I would stay until the 350 candle. I think it's because trailing drawdown, I was over risked. See if the 350 candle can shoot you guys up. I don't know why the fuck that happened. That's actually so annoying. Yeah, I got 1 hour and 2 minutes left in this fight. How long are you gonna be out here, bro? I'm in San Diego, but bro, I would, you know, try to come up or something. LA's kind of fucked right now. I can't even lie. All right, guys, 350 candle. Let's go. Pump it. Keep holding, chat. Keep holding. Keep holding that. Come on. Keep holding that. Come on. Come on, lead to that freaking flip. Feed the people. Feed the people. Oh, there we go. Love Psy. Yes, sir. Everyone loves Psy. Psy's the go. I watched one of your videos, I think yesterday, the day before, bro. I was chilling in the hot tub. I saw you post a video. I watched that shit. It was lit, bro. I wish you would FaceTime me and talk to me like that, but bro, it's all good. Yo, top songs chill, bro. What? Yo, what? Alright, this is disrespectful as fuck. We'll see. No, this week has been actually insane. I don't know how you do it. Yeah. AM session's been fine. The PM, dude, yeah, it's been a little it's been a little nasty. But we'll see, bro. We could hit a win right now, could hit a loss. We'll see. Put it in escrow. Bro, Twitter is a crazy space. How much is your SL, bro? 33 points. It's honestly should be like 30. I usually always have a 30-point stop loss. 30 is good. I don't think that extra 3 points is going to do you much. Still in a range, though. I gotta go to the gym, guys. After this. I'm not getting off yet, but I'm going to the gym after this. Oh, wait, Rudy, you want to see the glasses? Are you still here? Don't read. I didn't read it. I just said top song's crazy. So no trade signal yet? No, you should be in buys. Buys NASDAQ year. I was already in. I'd still be in drawdown. Got hit. If you're not in, wait for a little push above. But that is the signal I gave. The only signal of the stream so far. It's the only trade I've gone in. See if we can get a push. I went same key. No risk, no Rari. No risk, no M3. No risk, no M3, Dodge, and Porsche. Guys, I literally just want to pump right here. Give me like $1,000, I'll do it. No risk, no Nissan GT. You got a GTR too? Oh, let's go. Come on. All right, guys, I'm going stops to break even here. Stops to break even. No way this turns into a losing trade. I'm not up as much as I should be, but we still in this bitch. We're a little lighter. Live account, of course. Actually, I forgot to show that same thing. Ooh. Stops to break even. Hits me break even. It's all good. Stops our break even now. Letting it run. Come on. I wasn't up enough that I even want to close partials or anything, you know, so still holding on it. Chug, 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 chug. Come on. I want 900 and I'm done. Yeah, give me like a thou wow. Give me like a thou wow. I'll do it. I want light bill and I can turn candles. God, don't you love that when you finally hit TP, you can go blow all the candles out, turn the light, call PG&E. Hey, we're good. Check the account. Nas longs, power hour, no limit. All right, guys, nice little pump. Most I've seen is almost like 500 bucks. We love Luca up in this bitch. I'd hope so. I would hope so. All right, guys, come back down. I'll let you guys know when I get stop break even. You guys can probably see. You will see. I guess not. And L2, yes sir, no limit, baby. What's good? No limits to anything you guys can do, for real, for real. I'm telling y'all straight up. Oh my God, I almost kissed it. Thanks again, bro, for the little lunch money scout. Appreciate you, bro. Don't forget to like the stream. Exactly. I don't even know how many likes we're at, but all I know is I know it's supposed to be more. I know it's supposed to be more. I don't know exactly how much it is, but I know it's supposed to be more. Damn, this is fire though, guys. We stayed patient. So many entries we almost got into. All right, guys, it just hit me right there. God damn it. It just hit me break even. If you guys are still in, it has not hit your break even. Keep holding until your break even, but it hit me break even. Doesn't see him out. Sheesh. Of course, look at it. Oh my God, it's gonna tap and go. All right. Okay, NASDAQ. See how you are. I'm still amazed on how fast you can make money in trading. Thank you. Or, yeah, not thank you. I know I said thank you. But yeah, I mean, actually, thank you to trading. Thank you to trading for sure. That's just awesome. Wow, okay. 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 I see. No, I get it. I get it, NASDAQ. You're good. Just go without me. It's fine. She texted me to send him because I told him no. What? What? At least he told me to send him. I said no. Did any of you guys get break even too? You guys still in? Who's still in this bitch? 41's in the chat. You're still in. $41's in this bitch. NLT stand up. Salva. And I'm out. Good shit, Louis. Where's the substitute? The substitute. Nick, I don't know. All I know is he left my camera on last night. Beef. Got beef with him. Power hour been moving slow recently, but you still hitting. I'm being more patient, waiting for the right setups. I think that was the difference between when I tried doing that one challenge. Shit, I was just kind of getting in whatever, but nah, just being patient, right? Will you do an instant funded giveaway soon? Hope I can trade with your streams. Yeah, like yeah, I'll do one soon. Another giveaway soon. But guys, I do have a new YouTube video I dropped yesterday. For anyone who has not watched yet, everyone go give it a watch. I forgot to even put on my Instagram and stuff, but could help you guys. I have another one dropping tomorrow as well, so stay tuned. But right in here, you could see here it is. Was that YouTube video when you were 12? What? This one?
Provide some value to you guys in the chat. So as you can see, I just typed.
It wasn't that long ago. Forgot about it. I found it and I was like, oh, well, let me just put it out for the gang. Rudy, you want to see the Louis V shades? It's good. When the market's been treating you right. Little Louis V yesterday. We went out. I've been wanting to get some new glasses. I went and got them. Usually comes with a cool bow. Comes with like a bow and like an authenticity thing. But no, I just wanted that. Luke, you train your homers at your office? This is my home. You got Louis V. Unbox it. LV. They came in the cool, like, you know, what is it called? Louis Vuitton. They're pretty chill. Look at them. What y'all think, chat? Come on now. Stop playing. This is how fun traders be. They get funded and their whole streams they wear glasses inside. They just be like, you know what I'm saying? When you first get funded, first certificate, first funded, don't know how to act. First funded, don't know how to act. Me next. Facts. Nah, I believe in all you guys for sure. You guys are next up for sure. Actually, let's just do this. How'd this go in? I like them though. Y'all like them? I like this trade heading straight to TP. Was good. Where the 41s at? Do we get a bunch of W's? Even though I got hit break even, can I still take a video? Is that okay with you guys? Or is that like against the rules? I don't know how it works. I just work here. I just work here until the boss yells at me. Rudy. Bitch ass motherfucker. No. More W's, more W's. Come on. Longest trade ever on NASDAQ, but whole gang up in this. Yeah, W's in the chat. Shout out everyone still in this trade. Partial close. Stop missing out on the stream and come on. Stop playing. I gotta probably retake that without the glasses. That was one of the gayest things I've ever done in my entire life. Might have to redo it, honestly. Oh well, probably just cut the end. Just cut the end off. Sometimes I don't even know what I'm doing. Most made in a trade, $27,000. Almost $28,000. I said what's cracking. My boy looked like NSYNC choreographer and bro died. My mentor got the LV shades on, don't know how to act. Facts. Facts. When you made 27 bands, what were you risking that trade? It's actually kind of a cool story. Like it was like, I've done it a couple times. I have a YouTube video talking about actually what I did on it. But one thing I've done before, do you stack accounts? No. So like, this is actually what happened. It was on a live account. So what I did was I was risking 4K a trade, right? So you might be thinking like 4K and 25, that's crazy. No. So I was only risking 4K, got into the position, went into drawdown. And then when my other position was coming back up, like it basically did something like this. Like imagine this is what happened on my trade. I basically like bought in here. Let me just make this into one screen. Oh wait, no, it's gonna change this. I basically like bought in here with like a stop loss like down below here. And let's just say it never got hit. During that drawdown on the way back up, I basically, there's actually a good example right here. So let's say you're in the buys and you come all the way back up to break even and stuff, but then this big bearish candle comes down and you start getting a reaction and you're like, you know what? I'm going to get into another buy here in anticipation that we're at least going to get back to my main entry. And if we get back to my first entry, then I'll go stops to break even on that entry. So if I get out, I'll have a lower entry I can stay in. So I got in over here, went into drawdown 4K risk, never hit stop loss, scaled in right in here with a really tight stop loss, anticipating us to come back to break even. Once this candle jumped up, it did something like this, where it went bullish, bullish, bullish right past entry. So now I'm in one position and my first position was in profit, and I put stops at break even on that top position, saying if we come back and hit this top position, I'm out. Well, guess what? We fucking just rallied. So I technically was an 8K risk, double my risk to make that. So that was the story. That's the story. My mentor got LV shades while my house dark as hell with no lights. Bro, leave me alone. My mentor got LV shades on, my candles are on. That is fucking funny. That is fucking hilarious. That was too good. W joke. All right, guys. Well, I think that's going to end up for stream, guys. If you guys are still holding, hold the TP. It's getting low volume. If you guys want to take some partials, take some partials. We might range until the new day open, you know, new daily candle. So, if you close, go throw some profits in the testimonial section of the Discord, guys. If you guys are not in it, click the link in the description, guys. Join the Discord. Absolutely killer. If you guys need anything, let me know, guys. Tag me in the Discord, message me. If you guys need funded accounts, if you guys just want a prop firm challenge, where to get it from, or anything like that, y'all know where to be. Mentorship, NLT VIP, guys. We keep fucking killing it all the time. So if you guys want to join NLT VIP, DM me on Instagram, guys. Come live trade with me every single morning. If you guys think the power hour is lit, think about this, but with 10 times more volume with No Limit Gang. So I appreciate y'all. You guys are the best. Luke, is it true? No, bro. That's hilarious. No, it was a famous rapper actually, which was funny as fuck. But no, that's not what happened. But I was with Mamba and them, and it was actually hilarious. But I appreciate y'all. You guys are the best. And I'll see you guys on the next one, which is tomorrow. So come back tomorrow. Peace out, gang. Later.